So guys, let's start the insert tab. We already covered the last class file and home tab. So I'm starting with the insert tab. Let's go learn each group. Okay. First I'm teaching you how we can take a slide. You can see there is a first group called as a slide. Slide means how the way I want to present my slide means you can see there is a different layout. So I can pick any kind of slide. Even when we are going to the home, you can see there is a slide or slide group also. So whatever we have in a home and insert, it's both slide groups are same. It's not a different. Okay. Right now I'm taking from over here, taking one slide, blank one slide. So you can see right now I have the two slides. So this is all about the slide group. Now the tables, if I want any kind of table, I can take that. You can see this all options, whatever you saw, it is similar like a word. Okay, let me take a table. You can see I took a 7 columns and 7 row table. Okay, so you can see I can take the table. Now, if I want to take any kind of picture, you can see we can take a three ways to picture. First is a pictures, means any a downloaded I have. After that, a screenshot. I can take the screenshots also. Again, I can take a album also. Let me show one by one. Now I'm teaching you how to take a picture, normal picture from device. Let me click over here from device. After that, I am right now in download folder. This is my download folder. I already downloaded one image that name is logo PNG. Oh, sorry, JPG. So let me take it and just say insert. You can see my image are there. And don't forget, when we are double clicking, I am inside of my picture format. Okay, you can see the extra tab will be open for a picturing format. Means I can give the extra effects for my pictures like picture style, adjustment, arrangement, size, etc., etc. Even the border of picture, border of effect, picture layout, etc. Okay, so let me go back again to the insert. Now suppose I want a screenshot. I'm going to my second slide and going image group. There is an option screenshot. Let me click over here and just say screen clipping. You can see I want a picture of my desktop. Let me select it. You can see my picture is my screenshot is there. Okay, let me go to back again to the insert. Now suppose I want a multiple pictures at a one time. How we can take that like a album type? So you can see there is a options called as a photo album. Okay, let me click it, new photo albums. After that, files and decks, let me select it a multiple photos and say insert, create. So you can see at a time my album is ready, picture 1, picture 2, picture 3. Okay, now let me delete it all slides again. Delete, delete.